everyone. So recently I have purchased a Dyson Airwrap hair styler. So I'm going to do an unboxing video of the product. Also I'm going to show you each and every product inside the box. So let's start. So inside the box we get a huge brown color matte finish 10 storage case. So inside the case we have a non-slip heat resistance mat with a hello manual. Some of the instructions are also mentioned here. The inside has a black classy velvet finish. The box comprises of 9 items. In total, let's go one by one. So this is the main unit where all the attachments fit on top of it. It has 3 switches. This is the main off and on switch. This is the air blower switch which comes with 3 different speeds. This is the heat control switch which has 3 intensities. At the back it has a lock-unlock switch for all the attachments to fit on it. Also it's very easy and light to hold. So the first attachment is the pre-styling dryer, which is very similar like a blow dryer. This is to be used before starting with any hairstyling. So coming to the second attachment, this is a soft smoothing brush which gives a blow dry finish. It also has some pink color ball tip which does not hurt the scalp while using it. So the third attachment is the firm smoothing brush which creates a straight finish. So the difference between this brush and this, it has a soft bristle, comparatively it has a little hard. So preferably for a straight hairstyle we should go with this brush. So here comes the fourth attachment. This is a round volumizing brush. It gives a volume to the hair with a soft finish. Coming to the most unique attachment, we have 2 sets of Airwrap barrel. One set comprises of 2 barrels, 30 mm and another with 40 mm. These are used for curling the hair. 30 mm gives the volume curl, where 40 mm gives the loose curl. Each pair of barrel has an arrow mark in it. The barrel with the left arrow goes for the left hair curling and the right arrow goes for the right hair curling. So these are the overall attachments in the box. All the attachments are to be used in damp hair. So let me show you how to fit the attachment in the main unit. Slide the button to unlock and fit the attachment on top of it and release to lock it. Rest all the attachments fits in the same way. So this is it. I hope you would all like my unboxing video. I'll be coming up soon with a hairstyling video too. Till then, stay tuned.